your goal is not enough.
Wow, that was a nice intro, right? You want to know how much it cost me to make it? 0. It was free, and I barely had to do any work. Would you like to learn how to make intros like this? Well, I'm here to show you how. So really, all it boils down to is just this absolutely incredible website that is called Panzoid. Incredible. So, as you see right here, I already have a quick little intro already loaded up. What you do is just go over to Objects, hit there should be text, and just mess around with the text, you know, put your name there, name of the company, or just whatever text you want to be there, hit Enter, and then make sure to apply it to all the text, and then, there you go. You're done. You've got a pretty nice intro right there already. You can hit the I button to make the camera zoom in, so when the eye is gray like that, it just shows you the entire map, but when the eye is red, it shows you what the render is going to look like. And then, once you got a satisfying render that you like, you can just go to the export button and hit export. And it's really that simple. There's tons of templates on here. People make new templates all the time. You can find some really good ones. You can find some kind of funny ones. There's some mean ones in there. There's a really weird car one. But yeah, it's just cool. One thing you have to worry about is copyrighted audio. So you will have to mess around with the songs sometimes, just because people will put copyrighted songs and that sort of thing. Usually there won't be, but always watch out for that, because you don't want a copyrighted song to be the main intro to every single one of your videos. It can be disastrous. And then if you want to just build one from scratch, that's really easy too. All you have to do is just hit start a new, start a new scene, and then it just gives you a blank scene. And then you can add backgrounds, images, that sort of thing. Like here, look, I just clicked one button, and it automatically generated a Minecraft background for me. Sweet. So then now I'm just drop in a text object. I can leave the text as blank, because, you know, I'm not going to be actually using this intro, but it's just for reference. So, cool. You know, yeah, that looks amazing already. Now, let's spice it up a little bit. Let's put in some camera shake. That's a little bit too much camera shake. We'll tone that down, just mess around with some of these settings, so add some effects and that sort of thing, and then boom, look at that. I've got a sick intro that took me less than a minute to create, and it's free. It's super easy to export, and all that sort of stuff. So the link to this website will be down below. If you want a more in-depth tutorial for the website, if this video gets, let's say, 100 likes, because I'm very busy right now, so 100 likes, I'll make an in-depth tutorial. But I just want to make this video just to shout out this website, show it to y'all, and yeah, you know, it's an awesome website. You gotta check it out. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I hope y'all have fun.